At Spotify Camp Nou, the transformation is reaching a whole new level, with progress now impossible to ignore. From the rising compression ring to major structural milestones, every section is evolving faster than expected. What once looked like a construction site is now starting to feel like a world-class stadium coming to life. Let's take a closer look at the details you don't want to miss. We begin from the lateral side, where activity is clearly increasing. Materials are being prepared for the compression ring, showing steady progress. Decorative cladding elements are visible, giving a glimpse of the final exterior. The VIP zone is also developing into a more refined space. From this wide view, the progress looks even more impressive. More pieces are being added to the compression ring, and the structure is taking shape. There's strong coordination in the upper sections, with steady improvements highlighting the project's fast evolution. Moving towards the goal side access, we see another angle connecting different sections. While major changes are limited, smaller details stand out. A green installation element is visible, likely linked to decorative panels. These could include LED lighting, enhancing the stadium's look at night. A key highlight is the addition of new support elements for the compression ring. These may not stand out immediately, but they are crucial for stability. This kind of progress builds the foundation for the next construction phases. We can see one of the most exciting moments of the construction process: large structural elements being carefully lifted into position. These massive pieces are handled with precision, showing the level of engineering and coordination involved in every step. Watching these components being raised gives a real sense of scale and ambition behind the project. Each lift brings the stadium closer to its final structure, and once these elements are secured in place, this area will look completely transformed. It's clear that this section is entering a very important phase, where visible progress will soon accelerate even further. Back on the lateral side, activity remains strong. Materials are ready for installation, and the compression ring continues advancing in upper sections. This consistent movement reflects efficient work, contributing to the stadium's steady growth. In the La Masia area, the terrain is being leveled further. This groundwork prepares for access routes and future infrastructure. Step by step, this area is being shaped to support the overall project. At the north goal section, decorative panel progress has been quiet. Installed elements remain unchanged for now. This likely means the area is waiting for the next phase to continue development. In the corner section, structural cores are rising and becoming more visible. The framework is taking shape, though more beams are still needed. Preparations for decorative elements are also underway, adding to the future visual design. In the background, the future Barça store and cafe areas are visible. Even without major changes, these spaces are key to the stadium's transformation. They will help create a complete fan experience beyond football. The third-tier structure is nearing completion, marking a major step in expansion. Inside, early developments are visible. These details are important in shaping the final interior spaces. In the Mirador and Tribuna sections, work continues steadily. Some core structures still need progress, but surrounding areas are developing well. Additional supports are also being prepared for future installations. Overall, the stadium is progressing step by step, with multiple areas developing together. Some sections move faster, but the overall direction is clear. The project is steadily evolving into a modern, world-class stadium. If you enjoy these updates, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share with fellow Culés, and let's keep growing this community together.